Nasdaq jumped 1.3% overnight. Source: Nasdaq close. By 09:15 IST, you'll know 3 clear cues to watch at the open. Nasdaq led the gains, with a 1.3% rise that is a clear risk-on signal for tech exposure. The S&P 500 closed at 7,543.64, up 0.81%, and the Dow at 52,487.41, up 0.27%. In plain terms, U.S. markets were positive and appetite for risk improved overnight. That usually lifts sentiment into the India session, especially for it and financials. Note the provisional FII flow was net rupee 532.86 crore overnight, a small outflow that can limit rallies if local buyers stay light. Composite sentiment for the morning is bullish, but watch domestic order flow when the market opens. Live while you watch this. Nikkei 225 is up strongly at 69,306, plus 231%. Seng is higher too at 24,190.69, plus 0.67%. Asian markets are confirming the risk-on tone set in the U.S. That adds a positive bias to India's opening session, and it increases the chance of gap-ups for stocks that led overseas. Top ADR signals point to clear opens. INFY's ADR traded at $11.13, up 1.83%. A direct signal INFY's is likely to open higher at 09:15 IST. HDFCBANK ADR rose to $26.52, up 1.41%. HDFCBank should also show positive early bias. WIPRO ADR at $1.85 was up 1.09%, and ICICIBANK ADR at $29.12 rose 0.94%, both supportive for their India-listed peers. One negative flag: DRREDDY's ADR fell to $13.89, down 1.63%. DRREDDY's is likely to open softer. Treat these ADR moves as the cleanest short-term signals for opening direction. INFY's ADR was $11.13, up 1.83%. That implies a positive open for INFY's at 09:15 IST. Context: the market left off with Nifty 50 at 23,962 rupees 8, plus 0.34%, so a tech-led follow-through is plausible. The level to watch is a 1.83% gap up in the first 30 minutes after 09:15 IST. Watch whether that gap holds or gets retraced. If early volume confirms strength, INFY's can lead it moves this morning. Next, DRREDDY's ADR shows the opposite signal. DRREDDY's ADR traded at $13.89, down 1.63%. That implies DRREDDY's will likely open weaker at 09:15 IST. Context: with Nifty at 23,962 rupees 8 yesterday, sector rotation matters. Pharma may underperform in the initial trade. The level to watch is a 1.63% gap down in the first 30 minutes after 09:15 IST. Observe whether bids appear or the gap accelerates. ADR moves are a clean lead, but local liquidity and early order book at 09:15 IST can change the picture quickly. Now on to HDFCBank. HDFCBank ADR was $26.52, up 1.41%. That signals a positive open for HDFCBank at 09:15 IST. Context: the broader index closed at Nifty 50 23,962 rupees 8, plus 0.34%, so a bank-led contribution is likely this morning. The level to watch is a 1.41% gap up in the first 30 minutes after 09:15 IST. Track whether volume sustains the gap or distribution appears. Watch HDFCBank for early signs of strength feeding into broader financials. Top 2 things to watch in the first 30 minutes after open. 1. Nifty's opening gap relative to yesterday's close at 23,962 rupees 8 is the early move driven by trade-heavy names or by broad participation. 2. Early volume and price action in INFY's, DRREDDY's, and HDFCBank confirm ADR-driven gaps with real-time order flow. If you found this useful, like the video, comment which stock you are watching this morning, and subscribe for the daily pre-market briefing. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. Please consult a SEBI-registered financial advisor before making any investment decisions.